హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? అందరు బాగున్నారని కోరుకుంటూ ఉన్నాను. మరి ముఖ్యంగా ఈ 10th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామ్ దగ్గరికి వస్తున్న సమయంలో కొన్ని మోడల్ పేపర్స్ ఇద్దామని ప్రయత్నం చేస్తూ ఉన్నాను. మరి ఈ మోడల్ పేపర్స్ కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేసి ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని షేర్ చేయవలసిందిగా మిమ్మల్ని అడుగుతూ ఉన్నాను. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ టైం కానీ మీరు నా ఛానల్ చూస్తున్నట్టయితే దయచేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి లైక్ చేసి కామెంట్ చేసి షేర్ చేయమని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తూ మరి మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ కూడా మరొకసారి ఇంగ్లీష్ లెర్నింగ్ అసిస్టెంట్ అనే యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్కి ఇన్వైట్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాను. మోడల్ పేపర్ 2 ఇది ఏప్రిల్ 2023లో ఇచ్చిన మోడల్ పేపర్. దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ హ్యాస్ 35 questions in 3 sections ABC. Answer all the questions on a separate answer book supplied to you. 15 minutes of time is allotted exclusively for reading the question paper and 3 hours for writing the answers. Answer all the questions of section B, grammar and vocabulary, in the same order at one place in your answer book. Okay. Right. Now section A, reading comprehension. మన సేమ్ మోడల్ పేపర్ ఎలా అయితే డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం ఇందులో కూడా అలాగే డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఆన్సర్లు అన్నీ కూడా చివరిలో చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈలోపు మీకు ఆన్సర్ కానీ తెలిస్తే మీరు ఆన్సర్ రాసేయండి. రాసిన తర్వాత ఆన్సర్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఒకసారి అన్ని చెక్ చేసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. సెక్షన్ ఏ, రీడింగ్ కాంప్రహెన్షన్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1 to 5. Read the following passage carefully. The Second World War broke out in 1939 when I was 8 years old. For reasons I have never been able to understand, a sudden demand for tamarind seeds erupted in the market. I used to collect the seeds and sell them to a provision shop on Mask Street. A day's collection would fetch me the princely sum of 1 anna. My brother-in-law Jalaluddin would tell me stories about the war, which I would later attempt to trace in the headlines in Dinamani. Our area, being isolated, was completely unaffected by the war. But soon India was forced to join the Allied forces. Something like a state of emergency was declared. So it is from the lesson My Childhood. This is చాలా important lesson. Now answer the following questions. 5 questions అడుగుతారు, ప్రతి దానికి 2 marks. 5 into 2, 10 marks. When did the Second World War break out? Where was the provision shop? Now 3, 4, 5 MCQs. A day's collection would fetch the narrator 1 rupee, 1 anna, 1 paisa. A sudden demand erupted in the market for oil seeds, coffee seeds, tamarind seeds. Question number 5. Why was Rameshwaram unaffected by the war? Option A, because it was isolated. B, because it had protection from the army. Because it had trained soldiers. Question number 6 to 8. Read the following stanza carefully. Out in the east, the jungle listens. The tigress, plaintive, growls in pain. The great trees hear her breathing, shaking inside her still. The new life's weight. These cubs could be the last ones ever to freely live and roam and mate. Our grandchild knows the tiger never, or will the dreamer wake. ఇది వచ్చి ఆర్ విల్ ద డ్రీమర్ వేక్ అనే పోయంలో తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. మరి దీనికి కూడా 3 questions ఉంటాయి. ఆ 3 కూడా MCQ మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి మీరు పోయం కానీ కరెక్ట్గా అర్థమైతే ఈజీగా దీన్ని ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు. ఈచ్ వన్ క్యారీస్ 2 marks. 3 into 2, 6 marks. Where does the tigress growl in pain? In the north, in the east, in the west. Who hears the tigress breathing? The great trees, bears, whales. How is the tigress? Happy, surprised, plaintive. Now question number 9 to 10. Savitri gets totally involved in whatever role she plays. Chivaraku Migiledi is one such film. She plays the role of a nurse in a psychiatry ward. In a particular scene, the nurse has a nervous breakdown and cries uncontrollably. The shot was over. Cut, the director said. But Savitri, who played the role, could not stop crying. Everyone in the set had to run to her and pacify her. The film became a milestone in her career. So this is from the lesson A Tribute. ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 క్వశ్చన్లు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. Each one carries 2 marks. 2 2s are 4 marks. What role did Savitri play in the film? చివరకు మిగిలేది a doctor, nurse or a patient. Which film became a milestone in Savitri's career? చివరకు మిగిలేది దేవదాసు, అర్ధాంగి. Next, question number 11 to 15. Read the bar diagram carefully. Number of students interested in different games in school. మనకు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే కబడ్డీ, ఖోఖో, వాలీబాల్, బ్యాడ్మింటన్, బాస్కెట్బాల్, టెన్నిస్. సో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ గేమ్స్ ఇన్ ఏ స్కూల్. ఓకే, సో 150 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉంటే అందులో కబడ్డీ ఎంతమంది, ఖోఖో ఎంతమంది, వాలీబాల్ ఎంతమంది, బ్యాడ్మింటన్, బాస్కెట్బాల్, టెన్నిస్ ఎంతమంది అని చెప్పి మళ్ళీ అడగడం జరిగింది అనమాట. ఇప్పుడు ఆ బార్ గ్రాఫ్ చూసి మనం దీన్ని ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు. మరి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయంటే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద గివెన్ బార్ డయాగ్రామ్ అబౌట్? హౌ మెనీ గేమ్స్ ఆర్ మెన్షన్డ్ ఇన్ ద బార్ డయాగ్రామ్? విచ్ గేమ్ ఈస్ ప్లేడ్ బై ద హైయెస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్? A ఖోఖో, B kabaddi, C badminton. Which games are played by equal number of students? A volleyball and basketball, B badminton and tennis, C kabaddi and kho-kho. Question number 15. Choose the correct statement among the following sentences. A kho-kho is played by 100 students, B badminton is played by 120 students, C tennis is played by the least number of students. Now section B, grammar and vocabulary. Note answer all the questions of section B, grammar and vocabulary, in the same order at one place in your answer book. Question number 16. Combine the following sentences using which. Savitri played the role of a nurse in Chivaraka Migiledi film. It became a milestone in her career. 17th question. Change the following sentence into a passive voice. They have stolen the clock and the bureau. దీన్ని passive voice లో చేంజ్ చేయాలి. Question number 18. Combine the following sentences using although. Nick Vujicic was born with no arms and legs. He does not let the details stop him. ఈ రెండు సెంటెన్స్ although తో కలపాలి. Next, question number 19. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions or prepositional phrases given in the brackets. Agra is famous dash the Taj Mahal. ఇక్కడ ఆఫా, ఫర్రా, ఫ్రమ్. B. Dash is poverty. He became an IAS officer. ఇక్కడ బ్రాకెట్లో according to, in case of, in spite of. Next, question number 20. Fill in the blanks with suitable forms of verbs given in the brackets. I first dash her in 2020. ఇక్కడ C. దీని కరెక్ట్ ఫామ్ రాయాలి మనం Cకి. అలాగే I dash know her for nearly 2 years. సో ఇక్కడ నో అనేది కరెక్ట్ వర్బ్ ఫామ్ రాయాలి. 2 1s are 2 marks. నెక్స్ట్, యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఈజ్ సఫరింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ కోల్డ్ అండ్ ఫీవర్. దీనికి ఏంటంటే అడ్వైజ్ హర్ టు కన్సల్ట్ ఏ డాక్టర్. సో నువ్వు డాక్టర్ని కన్సల్ట్ చేయమని ఏ విధంగా అడ్వైజ్ ఇవ్వగలవు అనేది 2 marks. నెక్స్ట్, చేంజ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఇంటూ ఏ పొలైట్ రిక్వెస్ట్. 2 marks. You to a stranger, show me the way to the railway station. దీని పొలైట్ రిక్వెస్ట్గా మనం ఎలా రాయాలి? Question number 23. What do the following sentences mean? Choose the right answer and write it in your answer book. It may rain tomorrow. Seeking permission. Possibility. Making a request. Making an offer. ఈ 4 వాటిలో దీనికి ఏది కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది? నెక్స్ట్, you must wake up early. దీనికి కంపల్షనా, ఎబిలిటీయా, making a request, expressing possibility. Next, 24. Read the paragraph and write the synonyms of the underlined words, choosing words given in the box. So first box లో ఇచ్చిన వర్డ్స్ అని చూద్దాం. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏంటంటే అండర్లైన్ చేసిన వర్డ్కి సినోనిమ్ రాయాలి. అది బాక్స్లో ఉన్నది ఏదైతే మ్యాచ్ అవుతుందో అది రాయాలన్నమాట. సో స్లోలీ, సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్, ఆబ్జెక్టెడ్, పర్సువేడ్, అన్విల్లింగ్లీ, అగ్రీ. సో మై మదర్ ప్రొటెస్టెడ్. సో ప్రొటెస్టెడ్ అనడానికి ఏది కరెక్ట్గా ఉంది? గివ్ మీ అన్ ఓల్డ్ పెయిర్, యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టు స్పెండ్ మనీ ఆన్ న్యూ షూస్. ఐ కుడ్ నాట్ కన్విన్స్. ఇక్కడ కన్విన్స్ ఏమొస్తుంది? హిమ్ టు బై ఎ న్యూ పెయిర్ రిలక్టెంట్లీ. I gave him the hunting boots I was wearing. I then took out my pair of leather shoes from the trunk and noticed my father's face lightening up with contentment. So, ఇక్కడ మనం చూడాల్సింది protested, convinced, reluctantly, contentment. Next, read the paragraph and match the words given in column A with their antonyms column B. ఇచ్చిన ఏదైతే వర్డ్స్ అండర్లైన్ చేస్తారో అది కరెక్ట్ యాంటోనిమ్స్ అనేది మనం మ్యాచ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ రూపంలో చేయాలి. These trees are very nice. They grow tall. They grow very fast. But as they grow, they destroy all the local biological diversity. All the flora and fauna disappeared. So, destroy local diversity disappeared. దీనికి కరెక్ట్గా యాంటోనిమ్స్ ఏంటది మనం మ్యాచ్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. Next, fill in the blanks with the right form of words given in brackets. 4 ones are 4 marks. Every child is born with some dash characteristics. Dash lo inherit, inherited, inheritance. మూడాట్లు ఏది కరెక్ట్ అని చెప్పి మనం ఫిల్ చేయాలి. Into a dash socio-economic and emotional environment. సో ఇక్కడ into a dash socio-economic. Specification, specific, specifically, and emotional environment, and trained in dash claim రావచ్చు certainly, certain, certainty. Ways by figures of authority, I inherited dash honesty, honest, honestly, and self-discipline from my father. Next 27. Complete the following spellings with AU, IA, AI, IOE. So 2 1s are 2. His parents decided not to send him to a dash school. SPEC dash dash L school. A DECIS dash dash N. He said was very hard for him. So రెండు blanks లో ఈ పైన ఇచ్చిన దీంట్లోంచి ఏది కరెక్ట్గా సూట్ అవుతుందో మనం రాయాలి. 28. Complete the words with correct suffixes given in brackets. He always was thought dash full or full. So thoughtful అంటే FULL FUL. In that way, he was too honorable. So EBLA ABLA to have gone without paying his premium. Next 29. Find the wrongly spelled word and write the correct spelling. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి 4 వర్డ్స్ ఇచ్చే దాంట్లో కరెక్ట్ స్పెల్లింగ్ ఏది? INSURANCE, INDEPENDANCE, PERSEVERANCE, OCCURRENCE. Second one, PUBLISHER, SPAKER, DETRACTER, DIRECTOR. Next, 30th one. Read the following dictionary entry of the word given below. సో లాయల్ అనే దానికి ఎలా ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేయాలి, అది పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్ ఏంటి, దాని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి, సినోనిమ్ ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ ఆపోజిట్ ఏంటి అనేది కూడా మొత్తం క్లియర్గా ఇవ్వడం జరిగిందనమాట. సో దీన్ని చూసి మనం దీనికి మనం ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్కి ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్ ఆఫ్ ద వర్డ్ లాయల్. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి క్లియర్గా తెలుస్తుంది. చూడండి, ఓకే, మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారు మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్ ఆఫ్ ద లాయల్. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా OPP అని ఇచ్చాడంటే ఆపోజిట్ అని, మీరు దాన్ని చూసి కరెక్ట్గా చేయొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్, అరేంజ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ వర్డ్స్ అండర్ ద కరెక్ట్ హెడ్డింగ్స్. సో 18 × 1/4 2 మార్క్స్. ఇది ఇచ్చిన వర్డ్స్ ఏంటంటే డేటమ్, ఫంగస్, బేసిస్, డయాగ్నోసిస్, యాక్సిస్, సిలబీ, ఫినామినన్, మీడియం. దీంట్లో సింగులర్స్ ఏవి ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి, అలాగే ప్లూరల్ నౌన్స్ కూడా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ 32. Match the following one-word substitutes in part A with their meanings in part B. So part A, part B meanings. Part A, centenarian, omnipresent, didactic, linguist. So the answers అయితే ఇక్కడైతే ఉన్నాయి. Part B లో first one, a person who studies languages. B, one who abstains from taking alcohol. C, one who spends too much. D, one who is present everywhere. E, a person who is above 100 years. F, something designed to teach people some moral. Okay, so adi mana section B. Now section C. So first one A or B. In the lesson Attitude is Altitude, Nick chose Bethany Hamilton as his surfing master. He met her and learning surfing. He learned to do a 360-degree spin very quickly. He felt very happy. Now imagine that you are Nick and write a possible conversation between you and Bethany Hamilton. Convey your gratitude and express your ambition to become a successful person in the future. Okay. So, possible conversation between you and Bethany Hamilton. Okay. Next, or the drunken potter did not notice the difference between a donkey and a tiger. He kicked and bet the sleeping tiger. He then jumped onto the frightened animal's back, rode it home, and then tied up with the iron chain. All the villagers praised his courage. He did not understand how a donkey could change into a tiger. When he saw the tiger, he fainted. So now imagine that you are the potter and write a diary entry in this context. So, ఇది conversation, ఇది diary entry. రెండంటే ఏదైనా ఒకటి రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది. Next, 34. Answer any one of the following. Plastic is great boon to the human beings, but for the environment, it is a menace. Tons of plastic waste litter the streets, choke drains and pollute the environment. Waste plastic in rubbish dumps is causing death of many animals. Recently, our state government and the central government have issued guidelines to ban single-use plastics. Write a letter to your friend about the ban on the single-use plastics, or write a biographical sketch of Asha Parekh, a famous Indian actress, film director, producer and the most successful actress in Hindi cinema. So name Asha Parekh, date of birth October 2nd, 1942, place of birth Bombay, occupation actress, director and producer, father Bachubhai Parekh, mother Salma Parekh, first film mom, awards Padma Shri 1992, Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2020, credit high paid actress of her time, movie which made her a star Dil Dekhe Dekho. Then biographical sketch lo రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది. Next one, WH questions ఇవి. So read the following passage carefully, focusing on the underlined parts. India has many races, caste, subcaste, nationalities and communities. Here underlined word వచ్చి India. We are all heirs to a common and rich culture. Underlined sentence వచ్చి a common and rich culture. Our cultural heritage consists of our art and literature. So underlined our art and literature. They flourished centuries ago. Underlined centuries ago. Our cultural heritage serves as bond of unity between people of different faiths. But ఏంటంటే now frame WH questions to get the underlined parts in the passages as answers. Or కిందన్న pie chart చదివి write a paragraph describing the information depicted in the diagram given. Study the following pie chart and write a paragraph based on the information given in it. So, budget estimated by a family or their monthly expenses. So, grocery 20%, education 25%, cell bill 6%, electricity bill 19%, clothing 8%, investment 15%, miscellaneous 7%. ఇవన్నీ యూజ్ చేసి మనం ఒక పారాగ్రాఫ్ రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మనం ఆన్సర్లు చూద్దాము. సో ఆన్సర్లు చూడడానికి ముందు ఒక్కసారి మీరు రాసిన ఆన్సర్లను కూడా చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఒకవేళ మీరు తప్పు రాస్తే కింద ఆన్సర్లు చూసి కరెక్ట్ చేసుకొని ట్రై చేయండి. సో మోడల్ పేపర్ 2 ఆన్సర్స్. క్వశ్చన్ 1 to 5. First one in 1930. Second one on Mask Street. Third one Anna. Fourth one tamarind seeds, option C. Fifth one option A, because it was isolated. Question 6 to 8. Sixth one B, in the east. Seventh one A, the great trees. Eighth one C, plaintive. Questions 9 to 10. Ninth one option B, nurse. 10th one option A, చివరకు మిగిలేది. Question number 11 to 15. Number of students interested in different games in a school. 12th one 6 games. 13th one kabaddi. 14th one A volleyball and basketball. 15th one C tennis is played by the least number of students. 16th one Savitri played the role of a nurse in Chivaraka Migiledi film, which became a milestone in her career. 17th one the clock and the bureau have been stolen by them. Next 18th one although Nick Vujicic was born with no arms and legs, comma, he does not let the details stop him. 19th option A for, option B in spite of. 20th option A saw, option B have no. So 21, you should consult a doctor. 22, please show me the way to the railway station. 23, 1, B option possibility. Second one option A compulsion. 24th objected. B persuade. C unwillingly. D satisfaction. 25 option A 4. Option B 6. Option C 1. Option D 2. 26th option A inherited. Option B specific. Option C certain. Option D honesty. 27th option A special IA. B decision IO. 28th thoughtful FUL. Honorable ABLE. Next 29th option A independence. Option B detractor. 30th option A adjective. B disloyal. Next singular noun, plural noun. Singular noun datum, fungus, axis, phenomenon. Plural noun basis, diagnosis, syllabi or syllabi, media. 32, first one E, second one D, third one F, fourth one A. So creative writing questions 33 A. Nick, hi Bethany. I just wanted to say thank you so much for teaching me how to surf. I have always wanted to learn surfing and you made it possible. Bethany, of course Nick, it was my pleasure to teach you. You caught on to the 360-degree spin pretty quickly. Nick, yeah, I could not have done it without your guidance and support. You are such an inspiration to me. Your story of overcoming adversity and continuing to pursue your passion is truly amazing. Bethany, thank you. Nick, I believe that attitude is everything and having a positive mindset can take you far in life. What are your goals and aspirations for the future? Nick, I really want to become a successful person and achieve my dreams. I know it won't be easy, but seeing what you have been able to accomplish gives me hope and motivation to work hard. Bethany, that's great. Nick, remember, success is not just about what you achieve, but how you get there. Keep a positive attitude, work hard and never give up on your dreams. I know you can do it. Nick, thank you so much Bethany. Your words mean a lot to me. I won't forget the lessons you have taught me both on and off the surfboard. Next diary entry or diary entry. Second mano diary entry lo kachithanga date, day, time. ఈ 3 ఖచ్చితంగా మెన్షన్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. సో dear diary, today a strange thing happened. Yesterday in a drunken mood I went in search of my missing donkey. There in the middle of the forest I found the animal under a tree. I kicked and bet the sleeping animal. I then jumped onto the frightened animal back, rode it home. I tied it up with the iron chain. I went in and slept. Next morning as I came out, there was some commotion outside my hut. I saw all the villagers looking amazingly at the tree in my yard. I did not understand what had happened. When I saw what they are looking at, I was shocked it was a tiger in place of my donkey. When the villagers had seen me One, they started praising me for catching the tiger and trying it under the tree. But I could not understand how my donkey turned into tiger. The earth under my legs shook and I fainted. Potter. Next, letter writing. Flat number 402, Madhuranagar, Guntur, and date. So, dear Naveen, I hope this letter finds you in a good health and high spirits. I wanted to share some exciting news with you regarding the recent ban on single-use plastics being implemented by both our state government and the central government. It is truly a significant step towards addressing the environment challenges caused by plastic waste. Plastic has undoubtedly been a great boon to human beings, revolutionizing various industries and providing convenience in our daily lives. However, it has also become a menace when it comes to its disposal. Tons of plastic waste litter our streets, choke drains, and pollute our environment. The detrimental impact of plastic waste on our planet cannot be ignored, especially when it comes to the harm it causes to our wildlife. The ban on single-use plastic signifies a significant shift towards sustainable practices and responsible consumption. Single-use plastics such as plastic bags, straws, and disposable cutlery have been major contributors to the plastic waste crisis. By prohibiting their use, we are promoting alternative solutions that are eco-friendly and less harmful to our environment. I am personally thrilled about this development and believe that it will pave the way for a cleaner, greener future. It is heartening to witness our governments taking proactive measures to combat plastic pollution and protect our wildlife. I hope this ban on single-use plastic serves an inspiration for other regions and countries to follow suit. Together, we can create a world where plastic waste is minimized, wildlife thrives, and our planet flourishes. Wishing you the best and looking forward to a future filled with environmental consciousness. Yours lovingly, K. Rajesh. Address Andanvala, 2 L Naveen, door number 32/4, LIC Colony, Vijayawada. Or biographical sketch of Asha Parekh. Asha Parekh, born on October 2nd, 1942 in Bombay, India, is a prominent figure in the Indian film industry. She is best known as a versatile actress, film director and producer, and is often regarded as one of the most successful actresses in Indian cinema. With a remarkable talent and captivating performances, Asha Parekh has left an indelible mark on Indian cinema. Asha Parekh was born to Bachubhai Parekh and Salma Parekh. Her family provided her with a supportive environment that nurtured her passion for acting. She affectionately referred to her mother as Ma, who played an instrumental role in shaping her career. Asha Parekh made her debut in the film industry at a young age and quickly gained recognition for her talent. Her breakthrough came with the movie Dil Dekhe Dekho, which captured her to stardom. From that point onward, there was no looking back for Asha Parekh, as she went on to deliver several iconic performances in a variety of genres. Throughout her illustrious career, Asha Parekh earned numerous accolades and prestigious awards in 1992. She was honored with Padma Shri, one of India's highest civilian awards, for her significant contributions to the field of cinema. In 2020, she was conferred with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, the most prestigious award in Indian cinema, recognizing her outstanding achievements in lifetime contributions to the industry. Apart from her acting prowess, Asha Parekh ventured into film direction and production, showcasing her multifaceted talent. She successfully helmed several projects, leaving her mark behind the camera as well. Known for her beauty, grace and versatility, Asha Parekh was not only adored by audiences, but also highly regarded by her peers. She was hailed as the highest paid actress of her time, and her films consistently garnered by both critical acclaim and commercial success. Asha Parekh's legacy continues to inspire generations of aspiring actors and filmmakers in India. Her dedication, talent, and contribution to Indian cinema have cemented her status as an iconic figure in the industry. With her timeless charm and unforgettable performances, Asha Parekh remains an emblem of excellence and true legend of Hindi cinema. So 35A double H questions రాయడం. Which country has many races, caste, subcaste, nationalities and communities? What are we all heirs to? What does our cultural heritage consist of? When did they flourish? How does our cultural heritage serve as? తర్వాత ఇచ్చిన బార్ గ్రాఫ్కి పారాగ్రాఫ్ రాయడం. The pie chart represents the budget estimated by a family for their monthly expenses. They spend 25% of the total income on education. 20% of income is spent for groceries. The electricity bill accounts to 19% of total budget and 15% of the budget is spent on investment. Clothing accounts to 8% and cell bill 6%. The remaining 7% is spent on miscellaneous items. Okay. సో ఇదండి, ఇది మోడల్ పేపర్ నెంబర్ 2. సో నాకు తెలిసి మీరు రాసిన ఆన్సర్లను చెక్ చేసుకొని ఉండవచ్చు. ఒక లేదంటే జస్ట్ బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళండి, మళ్ళీ అన్నీ ఒకసారి చూసుకొని చెక్ చేసుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. అండ్ ఒకవేళ ఫస్ట్ టైం కానీ మీరు నా ఛానల్ చూస్తున్నట్టయితే దయచేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయమని కోరుకుంటూ, అలాగే ఈ వీడియో కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా షేర్ చేయమని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసుకుంటూ, దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్ సుధాకర్ వ్యామిగిరి సైనింగ్ అప్ ఫర్ ద డే. థ్యాంక్ యూ. బై బై. టేక్ కేర్.